What's up, dudes? Welcome back to episode 2 of welding in the US Car Tool Chassis Stiffening Kit. Today I'm going to be attempting to weld in the front torque boxes and the rear torque boxes. I've never welded on a car before. I've done like minor little things here and there years ago. But anyway, I've been talking to my brother. He's a professional welder, and he's been kind of talking me through on what heat settings I need to go to on different thicknesses of metal. So all that being said, let's get into it. Oh, wish me luck. Alright, and as you can see here, I've already gotten my welding surfaces all cleaned. Where is my hand? There it is. You can see the welding surface is all cleaned up. Make sure that we're going to have a good weld here. This part of the subframe I'm not too worried about welding on, but this is a little concerning. It's pretty thin sheet metal, so I'm going to have the heat down on a pretty low setting here, but I'm going to try to get across it quick so that I don't just burn right through this. But other than that, it looks pretty good, so let's get started. So, side note, it's not going very well. I'm not that good at welding, but I'm going to try to get my gaps a little bit closer because I think that's what my problem is. And then let's try to get... Okay, this absolutely sucks. This did not go as planned. I mean, I even tried turning the heat down, turning it up, playing with wire speed. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, and this just isn't turning out right. So, man, really bummed about that. I thought this would be a little bit more simple. Man, this just looks like absolute butt, man. This sucks. So, in my frustration, I'm just done with that. I'm not gonna keep trying that again. You know, I'm just making it worse. So it sucks, man. Like, I thought it would be a little bit easier than the way it was going. It's just like it's either burning through the plate and not the, not the sheet metal, or the sheet metal and not the plate. I don't know, man. Like, I'm just frustrated. I don't really like to give up on stuff, but I know when to quit before I start damaging things. So I'll just wait for my buddy Rob to come back, and then in this next clip, I guess you'll just see us welding it up. So hopefully we can fix it. Okay, it is now a week later. Rob is back, and we have gotten the rear torque box just tacked up in one spot just for right now. And then we did end up getting, it's probably too dark to see. Well, I guess you can. So this torque box is just welded up there as good as it can be for right now. And then once we get better welder, or once the car gets to a better welder, either at his house or when my brother comes up, we'll weld those in way better. But for right now, this will do. But yeah, so Rob's working on the rear torque box on the driver's side, and I'm over there cleaning up the metal on this side so that we can weld that torque box up. How'd that go?
Pretty good.
Is it penetrating the metal?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Here, heat up.
Sweet. Yeah, that glove doesn't really work all that well.
Not so much.
Dude, I've got some gnarly burns on my fingers from that glove. Look at the angle of that dangle. That's looking pretty good to me there, bud. Yeah, I don't know what my problem was. I was trying to freaking weld in the front, and it was just not having it. But maybe maybe it has something to do with the ground cable. Now that that's fixed, I mean, does it seem like it's welding any better?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Maybe it was the ground cable.
Maybe.
Yeah, because the ground cable's definitely fixed now. So. See, yeah, I'm
Still
telling
hot.
you, dude,
Still
it's
hot.
not a welding glove.
Still hot.
Get you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, I've got a crater in my finger.
I had one on my shoulder the other day. The last time.
Dude, you should see the freaking crater that's on my arm. Luckily, it didn't get my tattoo. I mean, not that. Well, no, it is my cool tattoo. It's like a gardening glove.
Hey. Yes, it is.
You're just like a welding wizard or something.
Now these shitty welds.
A lot better than mine. Should have freaking seen mine, dude. Ugh. Oh, that's my ear. Ooh, ow. What the hell? And just in case anyone was wondering, yeah, the fuel tank is still up. It's full of fuel, so that's good to go. Oh, I looked right at that. Nice. Now my eyes feel like they're itchy.
So in a minute, turn down the heat. Let's go to, what is it, B? Let's go to B, and I can tack this the floorboards real quick, okay?
Okay. When you wanted to go to B?
Right now.
Okay.
We're doing it.
Hold on. The man says go to B, so we're going to B. Okay. And your wire speed is still at 4.
Crazy angles.
Passenger side now. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Okay, now you go ahead and hammer that in. Actually, not hammer. Let me tack this little piece so it doesn't move again.
Okay.
All right, Bryce, go ahead. This little hammer in. That's pretty far. Oh, it's the frame rail that's all kicked up. Yeah. Actually, look. I should weld this support. This is the old support, but look. Let me put a weld there. Okay, now go ahead and hammer it.
That's about as close to that frame as I'm gonna get it.
I'll drive off.
Watching the eyeballs. What was that?
Fire? Oh, something outside, you mean?
No, I thought I heard something just catch on fire.
No.
Like it was like.
I thought it was something outside.
You know, people start saying this and they don't do anything, and then they watch something burn to the ground. So I think I might go check on that. Nothing appears to be on fire. Not yet.
Okay, I'm gonna come weld on your side. I'm gonna weld that little that factory seam up.
Okay. Yeah, this is looking pretty good in here. I mean, as good as we can get. For what we can get with the Flux Core welder. Then we'll, once the car is mobile, we'll go back in there with the
Gas welder.
the nice gas welder. Even though I'm gassing you out right now. Well, is that it, man?
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, you got another spot?
A little corner. I think we're done.
You done?
I'm done. Going home.
Okay. Well, it looks good, man.
Yeah. There you go.
Again, for, you know, for what it is. But, yeah, dude, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what the heck I was doing, but I was just screwing that up royally. But, yeah, man, I'm glad you were able to freaking figure out what was happening. Yeah. Because I couldn't.
No
Just like a
problem.
Like a welding wizard.
I didn't do much better.
Yeah, whatever. Should have seen like my crazy booger welds. I almost just died.
A little bit.
Okay.
All right, my dude.
You're out of this beesh.
Going home. Going to bed.
Get the frick out of here, guy.
I've been up since like 3 a.m. for work.
That's it? Only 3 a.m.?
Only 3 a.m.
Shh. I've only been up since like, I don't know.
6.
6:10.
6:10.
Yeah.
Watch out now.
Watch out now. Alright, that's it for this video. We got it all welded in. I say we. It was more like him. Ooh! Sexy man! Oh, put those guns away, brother. Damn.
I'm gonna get hurt.
Dang. You know, you gotta have a permit for them things, bro.
Hey, 22s.
22s?
22s.
Damn. But anyway, they're They're all welded in. The only one we got to take care of is the passenger side, but that sheet metal is all sorts of messed up. So at some point we're gonna have to like figure out how to fix the sheet metal, pull it down, do whatever we can, and then weld in that front torque box. But anyway, that's it. If you feel I've earned your subscription, please subscribe. And dudes, we'll see you next time. I knew he was gonna do that. Alright guys, see ya.